So I'm here with Kurt from American Curb, and I'm going to be asking him a couple of questions about decorative curbing. Decorative curbing is one of those things that you add that makes a border around like a flower bed and in grass. What are different uses that people can use for decorative curbing?
I mostly just edge between grass and planter bed or a garden. Or to separate gravel from grass.
Can it take abuse?
It's very durable. You can't drive a car on it,
Okay.
but you could drive like a riding lawnmower over it.
What are the different styles that are in decorative curbing?
By far, this year we've done more square. Then you have slant and then the old mower style.
A DIY homeowner might look at doing this project. Why are you a better fit as a professional who does this as a business? What do you offer that a DIY person would probably not do so well on this?
I mean, we can come in and you can see what we do and we can kind of make it look easy, but it's really not that easy.
I can agree to that. Like, I was looking and I was like, wow, that does look easy. But then I started seeing how meticulous this was and how well thought out and planned out it was. And something that's going to be permanently in my yard now, I don't think I'd want to do it too much as a homeowner.
I mean,
if I were to mess it up.
It's got to start with even the mix itself.
Okay.
If it's not just perfect, it won't work.
This is much better left to the professionals such as yourself.
Definitely.
How long do we have to let it set before we mess
what we
it up?
tell you as a homeowner, we'll say no sprinklers, animals, kids around it for 24 hours.
And then after 24 hours, I can get it wet. I can start my sprinkler processes, those things.
You can walk on it, whatever you want to do.
Is there anything that you want to let homeowners know about your business, about curbing, that would be pertinent, that should make them think about using this?
Well, the one big thing about curbing is it's permanent. There's many different ways to do edging. Like you could do plastic, which is around a lot. But after a while, it looks terrible. Grass grows over it. Metal edging got really popular. Problem with metal edging, we have cold winters here, so metal edging will heave up. If you got little kids, if they go out with bare feet, it'll cut their feet. It's really sharp, and it's actually more expensive to do than curbing for somebody to come and install it for you.
I actually found that out because I was going to do metal edging is what we were planning on doing.
So you know.
But it was going to cost the exact same amount as what I am doing for this project, just for me to do it myself.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to do any work. I just got to play with this camera the whole time. All right, so I actually have enjoyed you coming out and assisting me on this project today. Would you mind just letting people know your business name and then a way that they could actually reach out to you if they're here local in Utah County?
Davis Weber County. It's AmericanCurb.co.
Well, I appreciate your time today, Kurt, and I really appreciate your guys' help on this project. It has been amazing. This is not a sponsored thing. He has just done an amazing job, and I know how much you guys actually love this kind of stuff and how much you guys are always asking me about my curbing out in the front. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Make her green.